Welcome to our video on building rapport with clients. Establishing a strong connection is the foundation of any successful business relationship. When clients feel understood and valued, they are more likely to trust you and continue working with you. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you connect with clients on a deeper level, ensuring long-term partnerships and mutual growth. Let's start by understanding what rapport really means and why it's so crucial in today's competitive business environment. Rapport is more than just being friendly. It's about creating a genuine connection where both parties feel comfortable and respected. When you build rapport, you lay the groundwork for open communication and collaboration. This connection helps clients feel at ease, making it easier to discuss their needs and expectations. By understanding the essence of rapport, you can tailor your approach to each client, ensuring every interaction is positive and productive. First few moments of meeting a client are critical. A warm smile, a firm handshake, and attentive body language can set the tone for the entire relationship. Clients quickly form opinions based on your demeanor, so it's important to present yourself as approachable and professional. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, so make it count by being genuine and attentive from the start. Active listening is a key skill in building rapport. It involves fully concentrating on what the client is saying, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. By giving your full attention, you show clients that their opinions and concerns matter. This not only builds trust but also helps you gather valuable information to better serve their needs. Practice nodding, maintaining eye contact, and summarizing their points to confirm understanding. Empathy allows you to see things from your client's perspective. When you acknowledge their feelings and experiences, you create a safe space for open dialogue. Use phrases like, "I understand how you feel," or "that sounds challenging," to show empathy. This approach helps clients feel supported and valued, making it easier to address any concerns and find solutions together. Mirroring is a subtle way to build rapport by reflecting your client's body language, tone, or speech patterns. This doesn't mean copying them exactly, but rather adapting your style to make them feel more comfortable. For example, if a client speaks softly, lower your voice slightly. If they use certain phrases, incorporate similar language. Mirroring helps create a sense of familiarity and trust. Discovering shared interests or experiences can quickly strengthen your connection with clients. Whether it's a hobby, a favorite book, or a mutual acquaintance, finding common ground makes conversations more engaging and relatable. Don't be afraid to share a bit about yourself, as this openness encourages clients to do the same, deepening your relationship. Every client is unique, so it's important to tailor your approach to their preferences and needs. Remembering small details like their preferred communication method or important dates shows that you care. Personalizing your interactions demonstrates attention to detail and helps clients feel valued as individuals, not just another account. Consistency is key to building long-term trust. Always follow through on your promises and maintain a reliable presence. Clients appreciate knowing they can count on you, whether it's meeting deadlines or providing regular updates. By being dependable, you reinforce your credibility and strengthen the client relationship over time. Clear and transparent communication prevents misunderstandings and builds confidence. Use simple language, avoid jargon, and confirm that your client understands the information you share. Encourage questions and provide concise answers. This openness helps clients feel informed and involved in every step of the process. Nonverbal communication, such as eye contact, gestures, and posture, plays a significant role in building rapport. Positive body language can reinforce your words and show clients that you are engaged and sincere. Pay attention to your clients' nonverbal cues as well, as they can provide insight into their feelings and reactions. Credibility is earned through honesty, expertise, and reliability. Share your knowledge confidently, admit when you don't have an answer, and always act with integrity. Clients respect professionals who are transparent and trustworthy. Over time, your credibility will become a cornerstone of your client relationships. Every client has a unique communication style. Some prefer detailed emails while others like quick phone calls. Pay attention to their preferences and adapt your approach accordingly. This flexibility shows respect for their time and comfort, making interactions smoother and more effective. Following up after meetings or important discussions demonstrates your commitment and attention to detail. A simple email or call to recap key points and next steps reassures clients that you are organized and invested in their success. Consistent follow-up keeps communication lines open and builds lasting trust. Difficult conversations are sometimes unavoidable. Approach these moments with empathy and professionalism. Listen carefully to your clients' concerns, acknowledge their feelings, and work together to find solutions. Handling challenges gracefully can actually strengthen your relationship by showing that you care about their satisfaction. A simple thank you can go a long way. Expressing gratitude for your client's business and loyalty helps them feel valued. Small gestures like personalized notes or remembering special occasions can make a big impact. Appreciation fosters goodwill and encourages clients to continue working with you. Respecting your client's boundaries is essential for a healthy relationship. Be mindful of their time, privacy, and preferences. Avoid being overly persistent or intrusive. By respecting boundaries, you show professionalism and consideration, which strengthens mutual respect and trust. Always deliver what you promise. Meeting or exceeding expectations is one of the fastest ways to build rapport and trust. If unforeseen issues arise, communicate proactively and offer solutions. Clients appreciate honesty and effort, even when things don't go as planned. Authenticity is about being true to yourself and your values. Clients can sense when you're being genuine, and this honesty helps build a strong, lasting connection. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts and experiences as long as it's appropriate and relevant. Authenticity creates trust and encourages open communication. Take the time to learn about your client's goals and challenges. This understanding allows you to offer tailored solutions and demonstrate that you are invested in their success. Ask thoughtful questions and listen carefully to their answers. When clients see that you care about their objectives, they are more likely to trust your guidance. Always look for ways to provide extra value to your clients. This could be through sharing industry insights, offering helpful resources, or suggesting improvements. Going above and beyond shows that you are proactive and committed to their success, which strengthens your rapport and sets you apart from competitors. Set clear and realistic expectations from the start. Be honest about what you can deliver and by when. Managing expectations helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that clients are satisfied with the results. If changes occur, communicate them promptly and transparently. Feedback, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity to improve. Welcome your client's input and respond constructively. Show appreciation for their honesty and take action to address any concerns. Handling feedback well demonstrates your commitment to continuous improvement and client satisfaction. A positive attitude is contagious. Even during challenging times, maintaining optimism can help keep your client motivated and engaged. Celebrate small wins together and encourage a forward-looking mindset. Positivity helps build resilience and keeps the relationship strong. In today's global business world, cultural sensitivity is more important than ever. Be aware of cultural differences in communication styles, etiquette, and expectations. Show respect for your client's background and adapt your approach as needed. This awareness helps avoid misunderstandings and build stronger, more inclusive relationships. Leverage technology to stay connected and organized. Tools like video calls, project management software, and instant messaging can enhance communication and collaboration. Choose platforms that suit your client's preferences and ensure that technology supports rather than hinders your relationship. Stay updated on industry trends and best practices to provide the best possible service. Continuous learning shows clients that you are dedicated to growth and improvement. Share relevant knowledge with your clients to help them succeed and demonstrate your ongoing commitment to their needs. Building rapport isn't limited to one-on-one interactions. Networking with your client's team or industry peers can open new doors and strengthen your relationship. Attend events, join online groups, and look for opportunities to connect. Expanding your network demonstrates your investment in the client's broader success. Setbacks are a natural part of any business relationship. When challenges arise, address them openly and work collaboratively to find solutions. Apologize if necessary and focus on moving forward. How you handle setbacks can actually deepen trust and demonstrate your resilience. Building rapport with clients is an ongoing process that requires attention, empathy, and consistency. By applying these strategies, you can create strong, lasting relationships that benefit both you and your clients. Remember, the key to success is genuine connection and mutual respect. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in building meaningful client partnerships.